You are probably losing more money than you should be during this crypto bear market. You see, most people, when they get involved in the crypto space, they either buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some of their favorite altcoins, hold them long term, or they try to trade different cryptocurrencies, try to buy at the bottom, sell at the top, and time the market. But both of these have problems because during bear markets, you're going to lose money either way. There's no way to get around that. But one thing that I was doing, and I talked about in a video 6 months ago in December, I talked about one of the strategies I'm taking to generate passive income regardless of market conditions. And this is a way to make money in the crypto space that you can't do with traditional investments. You can't do this with the stock market like you can in the crypto space. So today I want to do a little bit of an update as to what I've been doing on the platform called Vauld. It's been a platform that I've been consistently using since we did that video 6 months ago. And I want to talk about how I've been continuing to generate passive income, how you can too, even when the market is falling. So first thing is going to be with Vauld. Vauld is a seamless platform to really allow you to earn, borrow, and trade different cryptocurrencies. We talked about this in a video in December, but for those of you who didn't see that, this platform allows you to easily exchange different cryptocurrencies. But the thing that I really like about it, the reason why I use this platform, sole reason, is for their interest rates. Their APY rates are some of the best in the entire crypto space. You can see they have APY rates of 6.7% for Bitcoin, right around 4% for Solana. You could see that they have a 12.68% for USDT and 12.68% for USDC. And they have all of the blue chip cryptocurrencies listed here with interest rates that you could generate by simply holding them on this platform. And with stocks and other investments, you can't do this. You don't simply generate passive income for holding a specific cryptocurrency on a platform, but in the crypto space, they allow you to do this, and they have options that allow you to do this. So one thing that I have been doing during this time is I have been continuing to hold a lot of my crypto on this platform because they have never had any liquidity issues like other platforms have had as of recently, and because they have some of the top interest rates. In addition to this, they have a couple of cool features that I have been continuing to use to help mitigate my risk and mitigate my downside during the market downturn. One of which is called their dollar cost averaging and their the dollar cost averaging feature. When you look at the platform, you can see that on their platform, you click on invest and you click on AIP, automatic investment plan. You can see that they have a number of different options where you can invest in different baskets of crypto, but not only that, you can also have it automatically set to buy daily, weekly, monthly. You could do it for 1, 3, 6 months, and it is very simple to do. You simply go to you click on invest, you go over, you pick a basket of crypto that you want to invest in, let's just say like all in on crypto. It divides it up into 5 different cryptos, and every single day you could say, look, I want to buy $100 or $10 or whatever you are able to invest. This is a way to consistently mitigate your risk in the crypto market by dollar cost averaging over time. And the cool thing about this platform and what I have been doing, you can see I've recently stopped some of these, but you can see that what you can do is you can actually create your own automatic investment plan. What I mean by that is you can create a new basket where you can say, okay, I want to have Bitcoin that I'm going to buy. You need to have Bitcoin. What I also like to have is Ethereum, 2 of the top ones. But then you can start diversifying a little bit. You might want to add a little bit of Cardano, maybe a little bit of Matic, and let's also add a bit of, let's get the gaming space. Let's add some Decentraland as well. And what you could do with this is then you create allocations where you could say, okay, I want to have 20% for all of them, but maybe not. During a bear market, I would say you probably want to have a bit more of Bitcoin. That's what I would want to do, and that's what I personally do. I would say let's do 45% Bitcoin, and I'll divide the other 60% up accordingly. It doesn't really matter. This is just as an example, but let's just say, around 10%, 15% for all the other ones. There you go. Then you can create that allocation. Boom. Now I have this own basket of cryptocurrencies that I could easily invest in. And with that, I can either buy in dollar cost average every single day, every single week, or every single month, or I can also just set it to buy the dip. When prices drop below a certain percentage, we could say 10% drop, you buy it. Either of these options allow you to generate passive income and profit during bear markets. Yes, if prices go down, your investments still go down, but this is the best way to mitigate losses, mitigate your risk during market downturns. And the one thing that I really want to stress with this platform is that they've never had any liquidity issues, and also, which has been a big problem as of recently, and also their rates are just some of the best in the crypto space. You could see that they have, their 3 different rates: savings rate, fixed deposit rate, borrowing rate. All of them are listed on their website. You could see all of them. The savings rate is basically just the interest rates you receive as soon as you deposit your funds onto Vauld. You don't have to do anything. The fixed deposit rate is the rate you receive when you lock in your funds in a fixed deposit. So all you have to do for that is when you click invest, fixed deposits. It's very simple. You just click invest, fixed deposits, and that is how you generate a little bit more passive income. And then the third option is the borrowing rate. They're borrowing rates for non-institutional investors. This is just the rate for if you want to borrow and potentially earn a little bit more. So really, those are some of the most important things about this platform and ways that you can make passive income during bear markets. One, you could dollar cost average, which doesn't necessarily make you money, but it mitigates your risk. 2 is you could create these different basket of cryptocurrencies that allows you to really diversify your portfolio and again mitigate your risk. With that, you could also offer different features where you can buy the dip, like when it drops 2%, 10%. And the third thing is that you simply generate passive income through holding cryptocurrency on the platform through these different interest rates. So all of these are very, very important, in my opinion, during a bear market. You need to make sure you're diversified. You need to make sure that you are maximizing your money, that you're not just keeping it on a platform or a cold storage wallet where you can't generate any passive income because you're losing out. So anyways, that's really important, what I've been doing over the last 6 months since we make this video. I wanted to do a bit of an update on this. I made a new account just to show you a little bit of a walkthrough. I'll also link the video from 6 months ago down below. Make sure to check it out. Make sure to let me know your thoughts on this and if you have been using it since that time. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.